Lesson 8. Saudi Arabia, a desert land. A chapter overview. The major desert lands of the world. The land and location of Saudi Arabia. The climate and vegetation of Saudi Arabia. The wildlife of Saudi Arabia. The people and their lifestyle and occupation of Saudi Arabia. The major cities, language, religion and dress of Saudi Arabia. The transports and industries of Saudi Arabia. Introduction. About 1/5 of the Earth's surface is covered with desert. A desert is referred as the land of loose and dry sand, and almost barren. There is very scanty rainfall and the vegetation is very little. Major desert lands of the world. Saudi Arabia is one of the hot deserts of the world. Besides, the important deserts in the world are Sahara Desert and Kalahari Desert in Africa, Colorado Desert in North America, Gobi Desert and Thar Desert in Asia, Atacama Desert in South America and the Great Australian Desert in Australia. Land and location. Saudi Arabia is an important and major country in the Arabian Peninsula. It occupies about 80% of the world's largest peninsula. It is bounded by the Red Sea and the Persian Gulf on the west and east respectively. Its neighboring countries Iraq, Jordan and Kuwait are bordered in the north, Bahrain and UAE in the east and Yemen and Oman in the south. Saudi Arabia is a land of high mountains with narrow coastal stripes and the entire country is covered with thick layer of loose sand. Hills of sand are called sand dunes. No river flows through the region. However, at some places underground water comes to the surface forming water bodies called oases. These are the only places where some plants and trees grow. Climate. Since the Tropic of Cancer passes through Saudi Arabia, it receives the direct rays of the sun almost throughout the year. Hence, it experiences extreme heat during daytime. Sometimes temperature rises above 50 degrees Celsius. However, the nights are pleasant. Rainfall is scanty. Thus, this great difference in the day and night temperature causes the rocks break and crumble into tiny particles of sand. The coastal areas remain humid throughout the year. Only Asir is the place that receives heavy rainfall. Vegetation. Sandy soil and dry climate make the vegetation limited to weeds, grasses, cacti, thorny shrubs and bushes. Only date palm trees grow here easily. There are many small and big oases in Saudi Arabia. People dig a well near them and use its water to grow crops like barley and wheat. They mix soil with sand and grow melons and tomatoes in the farm. Wildlife. The camel is the most useful animal in the desert. Other native animals that have adapted to its climate include ibex, baboons, wildcat, wolves and hyenas. The camel is well adapted to the desert conditions and it can stay without food and water for many days. Arabian horses are world famous for their breed. Some burrowers like snakes and scorpions inhabit under the sand during the hottest parts of the day and come out at night in search of their food and prey. Lifestyle and occupations of the people. Most of the Saudi Arabians lead a nomadic life. The scorching heat, severe cold weather and scarcity of water make their life miserable. Sandstorms called as samooms which blow in summers affect the life of the people. People here are categorized according to their lifestyle. The nomadic people generally live in tents and are also called Bedouins. They keep herds of sheep, goats, camels, etc. and move in groups, forming long rows of camels. These rows of camels are called caravans. They sell and buy their goods at the village marketplace. People living around or nearby the oases lead a settled life. They are mostly farmers. They grow maize, millets, wheat, sugarcane, barley, fruits, and vegetables. Date palm trees provide drink and building materials required to build houses. They build close houses and cover the inner walls with straw to protect from heat. They also have schools, markets and mosques in the center of each village. However, today the life of people has changed with modern facilities. Economy: Saudi Arabia has the largest petroleum deposits in the world. Petroleum is known as liquid gold for its great economic value. It is the world's leading petroleum exporter. The country's economy has changed the life of the people to a great extent as the money earned is being wisely used for the development and advancement of the country. Now Saudi Arabia is among the richest countries of the world. Major cities: Riyadh is the capital as well as the largest city and also the modern one. Besides it, Mecca and Medina are the holiest cities. Jeddah is the busiest seaport. Language, religion and dress: Arabic is the official language of Saudi Arabia. Most of the people here are Arab Muslims. Islam is the main religion. Every year, millions of Muslims from all over the world come for Hajj to Mecca and Medina. Men wear a long, cotton gown called thob and a headgear called gutra as to protect themselves from the excessive heat of the sun. The women wear a long robe called abba and cover their faces with a veil. Transport and industry: unlike their past few years, today Saudi Arabia has modern means of transport with a good network of roadways, railways, airways and waterways. It has developed rapidly over the past few years. Its main industries are petrochemicals, iron and steel, refineries, fertilizers and cement, small-scale industries of soap, leather, handicrafts, textiles and processed food also exist here. People also produce bricks, furniture, tiles and pottery in small quantities. Recall: regions located between 10 on and 1005 latitudes are known as equatorial regions. Congo River is the second longest river of Africa. The Congo Basin has hot, humid and dry climate throughout the year. The land of Congo is covered with dense forests like tropical rainforests. The dense forests also support a wide variety of wildlife. The major people of Congo follow the Christianity while remaining are Muslims. The Batu tribes is famous in DRC. Coffee, rubber, tea, cocoa, palm and sugar are main cash crops of DRC. Kinshasa is the capital as well as the largest city of Democratic Republic of Congo. Like, share and subscribe.